Welcome to this tutorial on how to reset your TradingView paper trading account. If you are using TradingView for practice trading and want to start fresh or experiment with different strategies, resetting your paper trading account is a simple process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, log into your TradingView account. Once you are on your dashboard, locate the trading panel, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. If you don't see it, you may need to enable the trading panel by clicking on the Trading Panel button located at the bottom of the platform. After that, ensure that you have selected the paper trading option. Next, to reset your account, click on the settings icon in the paper trading section. Here, you will find options related to your paper trading settings. You'll look for the option labeled as Reset Account or Reset Paper Trading. Confirm the action by clicking on the confirmation button. This will clear all your previous trades and restore your account balance to the initial amount, allowing you to start trading from scratch. Finally, after resetting, you can review your settings to make sure everything is configured as per your preference. You can adjust your account balance, choose a different currency, or customize other preferences. Once you are satisfied with your setup, you are ready to practice trading again with a clean slate. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading.